pipe wrench is like the biggest thing, strongest thing we have too, so that works out good.
Oh, okay.
Plus the long handle.
Mm-hmm.
Gives more leverage.
Long handle, more leverage.
Really don't need this anymore on there since that piece of wood stopped it from moving perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
That's chewed up from the floor up.
Yep, definitely needed replacement. Okay. One blade down, 2 more to go.
You can see how much the blade is digging into the wood.
Yeah.
Things are on there good. I felt this one was on there tighter than the first one.
Wow.
Look at
Wow.
if there's an easier way to do this, I sure haven't found it. That one was probably the least chewed up one, but
There's a
you
crack
see
there.
the big old cracks and very dull edges.
Okay. They're all off. Time to go buy some new blades. So that right there,
Oh yeah, that and that piece of wood. Well, I know.
we know it's not
I
a
didn't
smart
have
idea
any
to stand
others.
it up, but we didn't have any other recourse. Yeah. Laying on the ground under here did not provide good leverage. So this is the way it had to be done.